Is calling 2024 CR 011954 State versus Dora. Dora Bravo. Can I have parties announced?
Having gallery from the state.
What development from?
And are you Miss Bravo?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to need you to keep your voice one so that I can hear it. So,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bravo, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, there's an application in this case. Ms. Bravo, did you review the true bill of indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? Okay, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bravo, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's state jail felony. Range of punishment.
Quick legal insight. State jail felony might sound mild, but it's no joke. Even less than a gram can land you behind bars for up to 2 years. Texas drug laws hit hard, especially in penalty group 1. We're talking substances like meth, heroin, and cocaine.
It is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering that plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her? Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Bravo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends community supervision while deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 005470. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense? State?
What is your?
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution hours, no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. in JCPenney stores, the life skills course, and the anti-theft course. Do you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Would you ever speak to one of the attachments?
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand
Notice
that today
that
the state will be presented?
the judge emphasizes there will be no live witnesses. That's because in plea deals, the evidence is usually just police reports and written statements. No trials, no cross-exam, no drama. This part moves fast.
Evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports. But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept the evidence, states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Am I proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you say on behalf of your client?
So, what fall, recommendation from the school.
All right, are you employed? How do you support yourself?
Boyfriend,
Who is your boyfriend?
Pedro,
Pedro who?
Diaz,
And what happened to Roberto Avalos?
40 years old.
I mean, you were in a car with him. Is he no longer in your life?
No, he's incarcerated with no dispute. I was dating him. I was just getting a ride from him now.
All right. Did you know him before you accepted a ride from him?
Yes, I did.
All right. And how did you know him?
Friend of family.
Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
He is 15.
And who is the 15-year-old with?
He's with his uncle, and his guardian.
And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else? No, that's not just about it. Do you want to get drug tested today? So here's the thing. I am trying to set conditions for you so you'll be on probation. In order for me to do that, you need to be honest with me. All right? So if you use before common report, that's not a violation of your probation because you were not on probation. So what are you going to be positive for? Well, I wasn't with you, so what type of drugs?
Find it up. Methamphetamine.
All right, so when's the last time you...
This moment is huge. The defendant admits using meth 24 hours ago while standing in court. The judge isn't fishing to punish her, she's figuring out what conditions are actually realistic. Probation only works when the court knows the truth. And this honesty, it might have just saved her from a worse outcome.
use meth?
24 hours.
Okay. Do you have any family support?
Yes. It's a
All right, who's supporting you as far as someone you can go to help you maintain your sobriety?
my brother.
Your brother?
I was brother.
Okay. When's the first time you started using?
Well, since when he said a day.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be an $800 fine. That will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Taking consideration 2025 AL 005470. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Once parenting is completed, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Roberto Los Jr., no contact with J.C. Penney stores. Counsel, I'm not going to do the anti-theft course because I think the theft course is related to the drug issues, and I think if that problem is solved, then there'll be no need for the other. But I am going to recommend the life skills course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, in custody. There's to be TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Probation is and field visits 1 time per month, 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. This is why you're going.
And here it is, the turning point. The judge sees she's extremely high today. Judges can't legally let someone walk out impaired. Liability, public safety, and the defendant's own safety are all on the line. This is a tough love moment wrapped in courtroom authority.
And in custody, you are extremely high today. And if I allow you to walk out of here, what's going to end up happening is you're going to use more meth,
No.
and who knows what will end up happening. You may get bad drugs.
Why
But-
shouldn't you give me the benefit of the doubt? I got off bond. I'm trying to change. I'm doing what I'm.
I know, this is gonna help you. All right, thank you.
Well, like, already.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 003315 State versus Melissa Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record? And are you Miss Gonzalez?
The same.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
They did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, proceeding on the above concluded offense. It's not saying misdemeanor.
Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury as family violence. That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, yeah.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Say it.
Are you a USC?
Say it.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence. They're recommending deferred adjudication. This is right concurrent with 2024 CC 740127. Taking into consideration 2024 PF 22550, and there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year, and there be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, I did.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers stage 1 and attachments.
Okay, state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Your Honor, I have indicated their lack of problems.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the stipulations with your attorney and the waivers?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation, testimony, and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
No, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Please have the court follow what we should do.
All right, so what's going on here? Why are you doing this?
I have a problem with alcohol with my associate. We did take some classes, some rehab classes. And currently, I'm the second group of guy that I'm the lead on the case. I also was talking to them and they are trying to mount my daughter with my dad. Trying to be around my dad, but trying to be around my daughter. CPS case got closed. And that I just want to grab my daughter. I miss the whole kindergarten year. And just want to be back.
See, here's the thing. Part of being clean and sober, when you're learning from things, you got to own up to your role. It's not like these were not mistakes, these were choices. I have yet to meet somebody who said, you know what, my intention is to go out and drink and get intoxicated. Nobody ever says that. Nobody ever thinks they're going to pick up a DWI, but it happens.
This is classic judicial reality check mode. The judge is drawing a line between mistake and choice. For anyone dealing with addiction, this part hits hard. And for viewers, this is exactly the kind of speech judges give when they're trying to break through the denial barrier.